Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can change your profile picture in Crunchyroll app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you open your Crunchyroll app, you will end up in its homepage. Now simply tap on the account section. And once you are here, you need to simply press on the pencil-like icon. So once you press on the pencil-like icon, you can see that there are several options of profile pictures from which you can choose one. So now simply choose one character and press the save button. So this is how you can change your profile picture on the Crunchyroll app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.